Hello! Today we will talk about steam mops, an effective cleaning tool that has gained popularity among housewives. We will try to find out whether they are really necessary, consider their pros and cons, and also give advice on choosing a model and power. A steam mop is a device designed for cleaning floors using steam. As a rule, the kit includes the following elements. Steam generator. Since water and steam are used, the device has a high degree of protection against electric current. The main device with a body, a water tank, and a heating element. Replacement nozzles. Usually there are several nozzles in the kit. A large round nozzle for the oven, microwave, bath, tile, refrigerator. Made of microfiber or other materials for different types of surfaces, for example, for tiles, laminate, or parquet. Another brush, but slightly smaller with hard bristles. A spatula-shaped nozzle for removing dirt from flat surfaces. In it, the steam nozzles are located at the base. The most versatile attachment is the corner one. It is very convenient and can be used to reach almost any place. Ironing brush for cleaning shower glass, doors, mirrors, and even clothes. A microfiber cloth is put on it. What is important is that the mop has a long cable. Its length is 4 meters. The operating instructions describe the rules for using, caring for, and maintaining the device. The water intake is made in such a way that the device works in almost any position. At the end of the silicone tube, there is a heavy metal ball with a hole. When the body is turned, this ball moves towards the water. The kit includes a microfiber cloth for cleaning the floor. It is designed for various types of surfaces and dirt. The base of the mop is easily attached to the body. It can be rotated at any angle. The mop is conveniently stored in an upright position. A groove on the base serves to fix it. The power of the mop is 1,300 watts. The degree of protection against electric current is IPX4. I also forgot about the measuring cup for convenient filling of the tank with water. The mop has a telescopic handle that is easy to assemble. The handle itself has hooks for attaching the electric cable. In the vertical position, the mop stands securely. Using the cup, it is very convenient to fill the tank with water. The tank holds 2 such glasses. The attachments are very easy to change. This allows you to work quickly and efficiently. After the first switch on, you need to wait a few seconds until steam comes out of the nozzle. Before this, water droplets may appear. This is normal. You need to wait until the heating element warms up. Let's consider the use of a steam mop using the example of a corner attachment. Here, on the linoleum, I found an old stain and decided to try cleaning it with steam. The stain was cleaned almost instantly. However, I am very concerned about the condition of the linoleum surface. Therefore, I decided to use, in my opinion, a more gentle attachment with microfiber. The instructions say that you shouldn't hold the steam mop on such surfaces for more than 8 seconds. It's also very convenient to clean children's toys with steam. You don't have to use chemical cleaning agents, which makes it a more environmentally friendly option. This is especially important for families with small children or pets. Now, let's see together how effective a steam mop is for cleaning a bathroom. I chose a small area for the experiment and started treating it with steam. Simply treating it was not enough, so I also had to mechanically remove the plaque. The plaque from the shower stall is removed very slowly, but it must be taken into account that it is very old. I decided to change the corner nozzle to a hard brush. After prolonged exposure to steam, the plaque washed off a little, but far from perfectly. Now I decided to treat the tiles near the shower stall. In addition to steam treatment, I use a sponge and also decided to use Pemolux. The combination of such methods gives a slow but positive effect. Here's what happened after cleaning this area. Now you can move on to cleaning the sink. Since the sink is cleaned quite regularly, there is much less deposits on it and the mop copes much better here. And I decided to conduct the third test on the linoleum surface near the front door. In my opinion, this is the dirtiest place, since it happens that people step here in shoes. First, I treated one section of the linoleum with dishwashing liquid. I washed this section very carefully and then wiped it with a white napkin. This is the trace left after finishing with alcohol. I treated the next section with a steam mop. This took about the same time as treating it with dishwashing liquid. We can see a layer of dirt on the microfiber. After steam treatment, I treated the surface with alcohol again and wiped it thoroughly. Let's put the napkin aside for comparison. And the last option, I took a section of the floor and without treating it with anything additional, thoroughly wiped it with alcohol. In this case, the napkin turned out to be the dirtiest. So here we have 3 options. On the right, the first is the dirtiest. This is a floor without a sink. The second option is treatment with dishwashing liquid. And the third is treatment with steam. Of course, there are traces of dirt, but they are less visible than in the first 2 cases. Here are some reasons why a steam mop can be an essential cleaning tool. Steam mops use hot steam to penetrate the pores of surfaces and effectively remove dirt, grease, and bacteria. This provides a deeper clean than traditional methods. The high temperature of the steam kills up to 99% of bacteria, viruses, and allergens, which is especially important for people with allergies or asthma. This helps create a healthier environment in your home. Steam mops can clean without chemical cleaners, making them a more environmentally friendly option. This is especially important for families with small children or pets. Steam mops can reduce your cleaning time by cleaning quickly and efficiently. You don't need to soak or scrub surfaces for long periods of time. The steam does most of the work for you. Modern models of steam mops are often lightweight and maneuverable, making them convenient to use even in hard-to-reach places. Hot steam not only helps clean surfaces, but also eliminates unpleasant odors, making your home look fresher. Saving on cleaning products? Using a steam mop can reduce the need to buy various cleaning products, which saves money in the long run. Thus, a steam mop can be a powerful assistant in keeping your home clean and healthy. However, like any device, steam mops have their drawbacks. Regular mops and buckets of water can be just as effective at removing dirt and stains. With the right cleaning products, you can achieve excellent results. Steam mops can be expensive both to buy and to maintain. They require a power source, which can be inconvenient in some environments or when cleaning large areas. Some steam mop models can be bulky and heavy, making them less convenient to maneuver in tight spaces. Some materials, such as natural wood or certain types of tiles, can be sensitive to the effects of steam and heat. So, if you already have effective cleaning products, a steam mop may be overkill. Now let's talk about what to look for when choosing a steam mop. 1. Wattage. The higher the power of the device, the faster it heats up the water and generates steam. The ideal power is between 1,200 and 2,000 watts for fast and effective cleaning. 2. Tank capacity. A large tank allows for longer run times without having to refill the water. However, it can add weight to the device. 3. Attachments. Make sure the kit includes different attachments for different surfaces. This will add versatility to your tool. Cord length. A long cord will provide greater freedom of movement while cleaning, eliminating the need to frequently switch outlets. 5. Before buying, be sure to read reviews from other users. This will help you make an informed choice. A steam mop is a great helper in the fight against dirt and germs in your home. Despite some disadvantages, its advantages make it an indispensable cleaning tool. We hope that our tips will help you choose the perfect model. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your attention.